Hello there, welcome to the 2D animation course using Opentoonz. In this course, we're going to learn how to create morph and switch animations. Apart from that, this course is divided into 6 sections. In each of these sections, we have a practical hands-on project. We're going to learn how to create walk animations. We're going to learn how to create lip sync animations. We're also going to learn how to create morph and switch animations. As an additional project, we're going to learn how to use pendulums and lip sync animations as well. We're going to animate a water drop animation and a host of more animations. I've taken the time to break this course into manageable and understandable parts. Let's go ahead and see some of the stuff we're going to be creating in this course. Hello guys, so here is a breakdown of what we're going to be creating in the course. So first we're going to start by animating dots. Then we're going to move on to animate some shapes. Next we're going to be animating a blob, and we're going to also jump into some morph animation like we can actually see here. And next we're going to create a doodle board animation. We're also going to learn how to create a jumping box animation like that. Moving on, we're going to learn how to create some nice animated bubbles, and we're going to learn how to create a nice water dripping animation, a pendulum swinging. We're going to learn some lip sync, learn how to create animated handwriting fonts. Then we'll jump into how to create walk animations, and finally wrap up with a walk exercise.